So one of the ways that I think you can improve a renter's experience and at the same time create an additional revenue stream is by providing an interactive camping pack list that is filled with clickable items that can be purchased directly from Amazon through affiliate links that earn commission. So, things like marshmallow roasting sticks, s'mores kits, fire starters, even things like headlamps or other small items that you don't necessarily provide. I think of it kind of like a campground, like a virtual campground store. If you've ever gone to like a KOA or other campground, you see those stores at the front desk where they sell all these types of items. So in this case, it offers an opportunity for you to earn an additional stream of income for your business, while at the same time helping the renter kind of just prepare and understand what they might need, or maybe some things that are nice to have as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to create my list, how I set up my Amazon affiliate links, and then also how the renters interact with the list, how they download it and how it functions. All right, so let's jump in. So the first thing that I did was create a list of items that I felt could be helpful that I don't offer. So a lot of things that I've experienced myself when camping, or if renters in the past have mentioned things to me and asked me about things, or just sometimes I even notice in the RV that some of the renters will purchase things when they're out on the road, and then they'll leave them behind because they don't want to take them on a plane with them, or whatever the case may be. So those are all kind of giving me ideas of what are most frequently requested, I guess you would say. I also looked at Pinterest. That's another good source. You can kind of see some of the things that other people have curated. And then, of course, you can use AI tools, ChatGPT, and then just prompt it to, provide a list of commonly packed items in a campground or for a camping trip or something like that. Then you'll need to search each product individually in Amazon and copy the corresponding link with your affiliate ID. If you don't have an Amazon account, then what you'll need to do is just set up an associate account through their associate program sign up. And it's pretty easy. You just go to the Amazon associate program page. It'll prompt you to fill in your information. Then it asks what platform you're going to use to promote and exactly how you're going to do it. So, you could just say you're going to promote some, lists of product reviews and host those on your website or on YouTube. In this case, I like to use YouTube because it's the only outside URL that the platforms like Outdoorsy and RV Share allow. So you can list that on your listing page. So once you have that, you'll get that's your affiliate ID. And then from there, you can take that and start using that to go and search the products and then copy the links. And what I did was created a Google sheet, basically recorded and listed all the products that I had on my list, and then corresponded them to the actual affiliate link that went along with that product to my ID. So once you have that list compiled, then what I do is I come over to Canva. So in the box, you can put something in there like camping packing list. Okay. Now, if you don't have a paid account, you'll notice in the right-hand corner at the bottom, there's an icon with a crown, which signifies that those are all paid requirements. For this tutorial, we can just use a free one. So you click on that, and then you'll just customize it based on how you want it to look. So you enter those items. Once you get those items entered and it looks the way that you want it to look, then we'll download that list and we'll put that to the side. Next, we'll go to PDFescape, and this will allow us to then enter the hyperlinks to the actual PDF that we have, on an itemized basis. So we'll upload our PDF back here, and then once it's uploaded, take a few minutes. Once it's uploaded, we can go up here and zoom in a little bit. You can see better. Go up to the left-hand corner. You click on that. You'll see freeform, and then come down to checkbox. Select checkbox. Then you'll want to just come up here in each box and draw, drag and drop a little square in each one of them. Now, I know it's kind of tedious, but once you're done with it, you're done. So you can have this, you don't have to keep doing this over and over again. But what this allows is that now this box becomes checkable. So when the person who has the list, they can kind of check things off as they're going. Next, you go up to the same left-hand corner and you pick the link section, highlight the item, and then go back to your list where the links were for your Amazon affiliate, and then paste those inside there and hit OK. Then download the form, and then now you should be able to click on it. It'll take you right to your Amazon affiliate, and they can just purchase the product right from Amazon. So now that we've got our list complete, we've got our checklist downloaded, hyperlinks installed, we need a place for it to live. So I just use Google Drive. And so I upload the file into Google Drive, and then click the share button, and then set the permission to anyone with the link. Then I just use a link shortener here, paste that in just so it's a little neater. So the final step is promoting the checklist in Outdoorsy listing section on the listing page. So that way when they visit your listing, they can see, they can copy and paste the URL, and then that way they can go straight to the video and download that checklist. So in order to provide a copy of your checklist on the Outdoorsy listing, you'll need to create a short video and then place that direct link to the checklist in the video description. So once the video is created on YouTube, then you just grab the URL, and then you can take that over to Outdoorsy and paste that directly into your listing. This way, anybody who's interested in downloading this packing list, they can just they can copy and paste the URL that's in your listing, and then it'll take them right, and they can plug that into a browser and take them right into the video where they can download the checklist straight from the description section. So when the renters download the file, it goes directly to their phone. They can keep that and it can live on their phone. Then they can check off items as they're packing. Anything on there that they see, they can just tap the check section of the box, and then that'll kind of keep things organized for them. Now, even if they don't purchase anything, the great thing about the Amazon affiliate program is that you get an tracking cookie to your affiliate ID for 24 hours. So if they don't buy anything on your list, but they clicked on it just out of curiosity, you've now activated the tracking cookie for 24 hours. So if they buy anything for that matter, then your affiliate link or ID will get credited. So small tools like this, I think, can make a big difference. They really help improve the renter's overall experience. They can alleviate, some of the questions that renters have about, packing and things to bring. And then they also contribute to your overall profitability, which is a good thing. The list that I used, I'll leave that in the description section below, and you're welcome to download that, copy it, or use it if you want to. Also, if you liked the video and it was helpful, got some value out of it, click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I've got some other videos on here that might be helpful as well. All right, so as always, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section below. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.